Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to do international wire transfer on Chase Bank. The first thing I want you to do is launch up the Chase app, and then you just come to the bottom navigation bar, click on Pay and Transfer, and then here you can choose how you want to send money. So if you want to do a international wire transfer, you can even use Zelle. You can click here to send money with Zelle, for example, and then you can search your recipients right here, and you can add one as well if you want. You can add a new one. You can choose how you're sending at. So if you're an individual, you can choose your account you're sending as the country you're sending to, the amount you'll be sending in dollars, and how much you'll receive in their respective currency, and the exchange rate right here. And then you proceed with this. You just scroll down here, click on send money, and you just choose a recipient. Of course, you can add a new one as well. Then you proceed. You'll see the wire date, and then you just need to fill in some information, the payment purpose, and you choose the country where the services are provided, things like that, additional information right here. And then you can go ahead and verify the sender. Once you're happy with it, you can schedule the wires, you can see, and it'll go to them. Right now it's in pending status. You can check your status as well. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out.